Your daily dose of technology news for May 29, 2026. Number 1, Nvidia still dominating the AI industry with the new Rubin AI architecture, expansion of AI factories, massive optical networking investments, growing government and hyperscaler partnerships, and CEO Jensen Huang stating AI is going to eat software. Gaming backlash includes high GPU prices, hardware supply constraints, AI data centers dominating Nvidia's priorities, and gamers feeling sidelined for enterprise AI profits. Number 2, OpenAI expands beyond chatbots by partnering with designer Johnny Ive, diversifying infrastructure beyond Nvidia, increasing government partnerships, and focusing on AI agents, robotics, workplace automation, and AI-native operating systems. Number 3, Apple's massive AI transition. They partnered with Google Gemini for next-generation Siri, acquired AI startup Q.ai, prepared CEO transition with John Turnus leading AI hardware era, emphasize privacy, on-device computing, ecosystem control, and invest heavily in AI-enhanced Siri and wearable computing. Number 4, Meta's aggressive AI wearables push includes new Ray-Ban smart glasses, in-house AI chip design, AI assistant projects and AI social platforms, facing regulations over privacy and data use in US and Europe. Number 5, governments increasing AI regulation pressure with US AI oversight order delayed due to political disagreements, EU investigating monopolistic AI behavior and data usage, and rising concerns over misinformation, deepfakes, copyright issues, labor disruption, and security risks. Number 6, Microsoft and Google battle custom AI chips, with Microsoft scaling Maya AI chips to reduce Nvidia reliance, Google developing new AI inference chips competing with Nvidia, and AI chips becoming crucial for national competitiveness, cloud profits, military, and enterprise AI. Number 7, AI and military technology are converging, with the U.S. Department of Defense expanding AI partnerships with Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, OpenAI, and Google. AI is used for surveillance, drone analysis, battlefield intelligence, and autonomous systems, while critics warn that AI-assisted warfare is outpacing regulation. Number 8, new AI research breakthroughs include GPIC, a large permissive image dataset for AI image generation, video MLA reducing memory needs for AI video generation, advances accelerating AI filmmaking, real-time video, animation, and virtual production, and translation agent research improving long document handling. 2026 Technology Megatrends. Custom AI chips become strategic. AI agents replace apps and interfaces. AI reshapes geopolitics, labor, defense, technology, and science. AI infrastructure replaces traditional software. Governments race to regulate AI. For detailed technology deep dives, visit DawentsIT.com. Subscribe for your daily dose of tech news. Stay inspired and we deliver. DawentsIT.com